As per our discussion, we have calculated the thread length from the left motor. So there is a left motor here, left motor is here, and the right motor is here. So from this left motor, how much thread length, and this from this right motor, what is the thread length, that we have computed right now to position this valve cleaning mechanism in the 16th position. After the calculation, we have identified the left motor thread length is 33.54 centimeter, which is this, and the right motor thread length, which is 42.43 centimeter, as from this formula. So that is what we are going to experiment in the real time with one prototype model, as you see here. This is the prototype model for the valve cleaning robot, where, as told, this particular length is of 3 feet, height is of 3 feet, and this is the length of 2 feet. So 2 feet cross 3 feet valve, where we are going to have this valve cleaning mechanism, which is going to clean all these 24 blocks. Each block is 15 cross 15 centimeter as per the theoretical calculations what we did. So the left motor what we are planning is here. So where the rope is connected to this left motor, and the right motor what we are planning is here, where the thread is connected from the right motor. So to position this valve cleaning mechanism, in the 16th position, the thread length of the left motor is computed, and the calculated value is 33.54 as we see here. The left motor thread length is 33.54 and the right motor thread length is 42.43. So our objective is to find out whether is it 33.54 centimeter and whether is this 42.43 centimeter. So first let us find out the thread length from the left motor to the top left corner of the valve cleaning mechanism, which is 33.54. So if you measure this, so if you observe carefully from the left motor point, from the pulley point, so here it is. If you observe carefully, at this point, which is 30 centimeter, and the remaining 3 centimeter is here. So this is the 33 centimeter from the left motor, and from the right motor it is 42.4. So if you observe carefully, this is 30 centimeter. If you see, this is 30 centimeter, and then from here it is another 10 centimeter, another 11 centimeter. So exactly up to this point it is 12. So 30 plus 12, it is 42 centimeter. So from the right motor it is 42 centimeter, as we see here. From the right motor it is 42.43. From the left motor it is 33.54. So if we are making the left motor to rotate in such a way that up to 33 centimeter, and if you make the right motor to rotate in such a way that when it is 42 centimeter, the valve cleaning mechanism can be positioned in this place. In this box, if it is a sucking mechanism, vacuum cleaner can be kept inside, and then we can suck the dust particles in the 16th vertical position of the valve. Or if we are going to rub that surface of the valve, means the rubbing mechanism can be kept in the valve cleaning mechanism, where 16th position, that is 15 cross 15 centimeter square box, can be cleaned, which is the 16th position with respect to our calculation. Similarly, from the location 1 to location 24, all the valve portions, all the vertical portions can be cleaned in the following stages. Right now, we are able to compute the thread length of the left motor and right motor for all the 24 locations, and it is calculated and shown here in this table. So the table shows all the values. For example, we have shown the single value. So if you look at the table here, we have examined the 16th location. Similarly, for all the locations, the values are computed like this. In the next following sessions, we will be making this thread to position this valve cleaning mechanism in all these places. Thank you very much.